Hi. In this video, I want to create a work scheduler database on the local computer using the Windows version of Work Scheduler, and then upload it to the web version of Work Scheduler through the demo 2 code for a company, and then have it viewable on the internet. And then I'll edit it on the internet and download it to the local computer again, just to demonstrate that I can upload and download the database with the changes and edit it in either the local computer with the Windows version of Work Scheduler or on the web with the web version of Work Scheduler. So I could create the database up on the web, provided I have a demo code that I can log into, and which is free. You can request a demo code for a code for a company, and for a demo database, trial database, and then that can be converted into a permanent database. Or you could download the Work Scheduler Windows version and use that locally on your computer. And so here we'll start with starting up the Work Scheduler program. And okay, where is it here? Work Scheduler. Okay. So right now it opens into the database that was previously opened in the last session. And so I'll create a new database, and I'll create an access database, and I'll call it demo 2. And I'll give it the defaults. So this demo database has no employees, or any of these other lists are all empty. The assignments, the jobs, customers, customer sites. So I'll add a couple of employees. Jim. We'll make this the assigner. Demo. And we'll give him the privilege of scheduler, or which is the same as assigner. And we'll add him. And we'll add Bob. And each of these employees are just going to be entered as a regular employee with the internet display privilege of view their own schedules. So Ted. Don. Okay. And okay, we'll make a couple teams. I was going to skip over the teams, but yeah, okay, well, team title, call it team 1. Team lead, we'll say Jim, and we'll select the employees, Jim and Don. First, we'll go Bob, since that was the first 2 I entered. Team 2, go Ted and Don. And we'll add some customers. We'll add some sites for those customers. We'll say store 1, 2, 3. And then we'll add some jobs. We'll add a job for the first 3 stores of customer 1. Now we don't have anybody assigned to those jobs, so we'll put team 1 on the first 2 jobs. Well, let's put everybody on this job. Second job. And then on the third job, we'll put team 2. So there we have a demo database created called Demo2 MDB in the work scheduler database directory. So then we'll go up to the web and we'll load that up. I already have a database here, Demo2, work scheduler Demo2. This is similar to the demo database that's available on the web. So here first I'll just clear this database to demonstrate how that's done. It says delete everything in the database. Yes, so then it tells you. So then you go here to the all list and you see there is nothing there. And now I'll import that database I just created, Demo2, locally. So it tells me here it's going to clear out the database because I had this checked here, delete the current list, and the list was for the whole company, all the employees, clients, or customers, and their sites. So I'll say OK, and now it's uploading, and then it uploaded, and I can go look here at the lists, and they're all there. The assignments. So we had 2 for store 1, 4 for store 2, and 2 for store 3. Bob and Jim were on the first job, so I can look at the individual jobs here. Here's the jobs, and I can look at the assignments for those individual jobs. 3095, that's the first job. Or I could go here and look at the job here and see who's available. So we uploaded the database. So let's go out here and we'll add another employee, and we'll call him Tom. Tom added, and we'll add another job. Um, let's see, new job. Put Tom on that job, and we'll have it start on the 12th, and make it end maybe 9 o'clock. It starts with the default time that's set in the preferences. So we'll add that job. Customer is not assigned yet. Oh, we gotta say who the customer is. Okay. Customer one, site one. All right. Create a title, and now we'll add it. Okay. All right. So this here is the title for the job. And now if we go to the all list, see the jobs. Oh, we have it restricted there, show all. Okay. And if we look at that individual job, oops, that's not the one I wanted to see. I wanted to see the one with Tom. This one. So it has Tom there. So if we go back to the all list again, see the jobs. This is the one we just added. And the assignments. If we want to see the assignments for the one we just added, got that, and we see Tom's on that job. All right, now let's export it back to the Windows version. Okay, we'll go down and pick that up. Hmm. All right, so it got emailed down here, and we'll download that database, keep it, open it up in Access, and save it as okay, SS Demo Database 2, and we'll put it in the Work Scheduler database directory, databases. Okay, now we'll kick up the Work Scheduler Windows version. We'll go open that database. Currently demo 2, which we had created before, and now we downloaded it as SS Demo 2 or Demo Database 2. All right, so we look at that. We see that that assignment is here. We're looking at the assignments now. If we look at the employees, we see Tom's on there, and we see the employee teams and employee team membership just as we left it. And the customers, 3 customers. And the customer sites, we have created 9 sites. We created jobs for the first customer. There's 4 jobs, and then the assignments for those jobs are here, and we have the job ID. We have 2 people on the first job, 4 people on the second job, 2 people on the third job, and Tom on this last job. So what we did there was we created the database locally with the Work Scheduler Windows version. And then we uploaded it to the web where it's viewable by all employees if they have logins, and which I didn't give a password to all the employees except the one. Let's go up and log in as him. And so it's logged in now. Well, Jim Miller was logged in when we started. So I'll log out, or I logged in as Jim Miller, but it was under the previous database before I uploaded the one we just created. So I uploaded the new database company for the Access database, and I imported that. And now I'll log in as Jim Miller in this demo 2 company. Oh, give him the password demo. And there we are. See? So I'll log in as an employee. Remember, Jim Miller has the privilege of manager. Up here it says manager. So he can add employees, add jobs, add customers, add everything, and delete everything. But a regular employee, like we'll go with Bob, and I'll give him, we'll call him Test Bob, and we'll give him the password demo also. And so we'll save him. Now we'll go in and log in as Bob. Test Bob demo. And he should see his schedule. And there he does. And he can look at if there were any announcements. There aren't any. You can see his schedule. You can see it as a calendar. He could change his personal information. Some of it he can't change anybody else's, and he can look at some lists because he has that privilege. And the about. And so that's an example of editing the database either locally and uploading it, or editing it up on the web and downloading it locally where you can further edit it and then upload it with the changes. So thanks for listening.